In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create dynamic forms in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to add your form. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. To create dynamic forms, you'll typically need a Forms app, Marketplace add-on, or HTML-enabled solution available in your Confluence environment. Once the required app or feature is installed, place your cursor where you want the form to appear. Insert the appropriate form or HTML macro and begin adding the fields you need, such as text boxes, drop-down menus, checkboxes, radio buttons, and date pickers. After creating the basic form structure, configure any dynamic features available through your chosen solution. These features may include conditional fields, automatic calculations, input validation, field dependencies, or dynamic content that changes based on user selections. You can also customize the form layout to make it easier for users to complete and understand. Once the form is configured, preview it to verify that all fields and dynamic behaviors work as expected. Make any necessary adjustments and test the form with sample data before publishing. When everything looks correct, save or publish the page. Your dynamic form will now be available directly within Confluence, allowing users to interact with it and submit information without leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic form in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.